Okay, good day everyone. This is the Excel file here. So what do you understand by Excel? Excel is the world most used spreadsheet program. This is a spreadsheet, and Excel is also a powerful tool to use for mathematical functions. You can do your logarithm in Excel. You can do, you can add, you can minus, you can times, you can do pi, you can do fraction, any fraction, mixed fraction, anyone, you can do it on Excel. Any calculation, you can do it on Excel. So why do we study Excel? Excel is the word most used spreadsheet. Example use areas are, you can use Excel for data analysis, project management, finance and accounting. So okay, now let's start with addition and subtraction. Okay, so what do we mean? So in any formula we want to use in Excel, we must always add equals to sign. We must always add equals to sign. So for example now, I want to add 309 and 39. So I must add my equals to sign. So this equals to sign means I want to type a formula. If I only write sum, it will bring out anything. But if I want to press equals to, so I want to add 309 and 39 together, I can just take equals to this plus, then I'll look for my plus sign on my keyboard, plus this. Here I press enter, then it gave me 348. So if we calculate it, it will give us 348. So let's do the same thing for this one. Equals to, then you click on 320, that's our A2, plus B2, that's 35, then I'll press enter, that's 355. We do the same thing for this also. This plus this, enter. This is for this equals this plus this, enter. So can you see? This is the answer we got. So if you add this one plus this one, it will give us this. This one plus this will give us this. This one plus this will give us this. Okay, so that's for the introduction part. So now you'll be moving to introduction. Okay, so don't worry, I'll send the notes for the introduction, because if I start reading it now, it will take time. So this is called a sheet. So let me just stop this video here.